Hey everybody, this is Eric for Little Whitehouse, and today I wanted to talk about naysayers. You know, in naysaying, I mean, people who try to get you to go in a different direction than you're going. Oftentimes when you're doing the right thing, you'll find several different things. I've thought of 3, and so I'm going to bring them to you today. Those 3 things are somebody who is either threatening you to do something that will put you off guard, placing some kind of an obstacle in your path or whatever. Somebody that may be saying something like, oh, please don't do that because I fear for what'll happen if you keep going down that path. Because, for instance, somebody said to me once who, when I was going out with Jessica, oh, you can't go visit her this weekend because there's the worst blizzard of the year is coming through. And if you go, you'll probably get caught in that blizzard, and what'll happen to you then? And the third thing is they may try to monopolize your time. This same person, when I was doing something else, started calling me up every single day. I was volunteering for a ministry, and he didn't like that ministry, and so he started calling me up every single day to monopolize my time, basically. Anyway, those 3 things are things to watch out for when you are in a mode where you're doing the right thing, and yet you don't seem to be able to get stuff done. It could be because of one or all of those 3 things, and maybe something else, I don't know. But I do know for sure those 3 things have happened to me at times when I have been trying to get things accomplished that I knew needed to be accomplished. I don't know what's going on in you guys' life, but I am sure that as time progresses, as we get closer to this election and what lies beyond this election, more importantly, you're going to run into those things as you are going to have to make decisions one way or another. Maybe not based on friendships or whatever. You're trying to make a decision based on what is the right thing to do. And since we have an enemy, he's always trying to get us to do the wrong thing. I just wanted to throw that out there for people because I believe it's an important thing to keep in mind. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have something to comment about it, please let me know in the comments below. And if it has helped you in any way, please share it. If you haven't subscribed to this station and you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit that notification bell to receive all of our videos. I gotta get back to gardening. And don't forget about the free TubeBuddy link in the description box below. Anyway, now that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching, God bless, and see you next time.